Oh hey guys, this week's theme on the Diamond Heart is teaching you how to make a paper plane. I know that I didn't do that yet actually. Some people know how to make a paper plane, but some people don't. I just need to go get a paper fast and I'll be right back. Hold on, I'm right here guys. Okay, I'm back. I promised my friend Nadir that I'll make a video. Okay, my pinky promise without crossing my fingers. Okay, you make a paper plane. It's really simple. You fold it like this. You get it creased. So it's like this now. Crease it. You could use your nails. Okay, then you open it up. So it's like, there has to be like a spine on it, like in the middle. Then take this piece. Okay. Hold that like this. You wanna know what I did right here? It's like this. I bended it right to the side, then creased it. You're gonna do the same with the other side. Okay. You already got this. Okay. Oh, now you have to do this. Fold it like this. Oh, I'm so bad at making these. Sorry, guys. But I bet you guys are perfect. So now it's like this. See, I made the line. Like this. Okay. Then take one side. Any side that you want. Okay. Like crease it. Make it like to the side. So now it looks like this. Do the same with the other side. You guys probably make it differently than me, but this is how I do it. Do the same with the other side. Okay, I'll show you guys after this. So now it's like this. And then basically you're done. So you take the middle piece and then, oh no, that was off my chair. See, it's like this paper plane. Take the middle piece, throw it. Oh, okay, I'm trying to do it like right here. Okay, I bet you guys made it better than me, but this is how it looked like. Okay, hope you enjoyed my video. Comment down below if you do it a different way, or if you didn't know how to make a paper airplane and you just learned because I taught you. Tell your friends. Okay, and subscribe. A thumbs up. And you know what? I love you guys. Number one thing that I love. Bye guys.